Okay, some of you may have found that if you did Google Keep, that there's not a share option for it. But what we can do is we can take a screenshot. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do really quick here. So we have our page, and you want to scroll so that most of your posts are visible. And then down on the little magnifying glass, we're going to type in the word snip for Snip and Sketch. And it brings up this application. We click New. And we want a rectangular clip, so we're good with that. And you would want to focus on the part of the screen that actually has your notes that you've posted for this. Now you have a picture, and you can save, and we're going to save that. We will call this keep and click save. And then what you will do is on the Schoology page, you will post that image as your, rather than a shared link. That is all you would need to do.